Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Garchomp. Alpha Garchomp is a formidable opponent, much larger and stronger than a regular Garchomp. To successfully add this powerful Pokémon to your team, you'll need to know its exact spawn location and prepare your battle strategy carefully. This guide will walk you through the steps, ensuring you're ready for the encounter and can capture it efficiently. Alpha Garchomp makes its home in the frigid Alabaster Icelands. You'll want to head directly to the avalanche slopes, a specific area within the Icelands. Before you can even attempt to encounter this powerful Pokémon, ensure you have advanced far enough in your main story progression. This ensures you have access to the necessary areas and the strength to face such a formidable foe. When battling Alpha Garchomp, strategic planning is key. Its dragon and ground typing makes it extremely vulnerable to ice-type attacks, so prioritize those moves. Consider bringing Pokémon with strong defensive capabilities to withstand its powerful attacks. Applying status conditions such as sleep or paralysis can significantly increase your chances of a successful capture, making the fight much more manageable. Once Alpha Garchomp is weakened, it's time for the capture attempt. High-tier Pokéballs like Ultra Balls or Gigaton Balls are highly recommended for the best chance of success. Always remember to save your game just before engaging, allowing you to reset if the capture fails. Successfully capturing Alpha Garchomp not only adds a powerful ally, but also provides significant experience and potentially rare items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.